Hello my friends, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and chances are you've already seen our new club set for this month, our stamps and our dies, called Jingle Bell to Stamp. Well, if you know me at all, you know that I cannot stop with just one set, right? I just keep going and going and going. It's like, all the ideas just keep coming and I need to like satisfy them. So I came out with also as an add-on option this stamp set that's called More Jingle Bells to Stamp, because I wanted a bigger, this is the club. I wanted a smaller version and by itself and together in a triple. Here we have, it's the most wonderful time of the year. The hearts are separate. This little ring is separate, so if you wanted to hold those bells there. Some extra sprigs. Have yourself a merry little Christmas, Noel. Wishing you peace or wishing you love. Wishing you joy, or you could do all of them. Wishing you peace, love, and joy. Warm wishes. Little tiny stamps of the stars and the hearts to decorate your bells. So that's one item. Now, of course, you know, hello, yes, there are dies that match, right? Of course, we have to have dies that match. Then for the larger club set, I also came out with the solids and the plaid. So that way you can mix and match on your big jingle bell and have it look a little different. Those of you that don't like to color, boom, you're gonna want this one, right? Look how fun that is. Now we have some more words. Merry Christmas, the heart is separate. Holidays, happy, ho, 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 ho. So awesome, awesome options right there, okay? Now, more samples to share with you. Hey, stay tuned for just a second. I also did, and I love this one, this is a background stamp. Now, with background stamps, you definitely want to make sure you're using the Stamper's Secret Weapon so you get direct contact with your cardstock and you get the perfect image. Now, this one literally says, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey! And it does jingle bells all the way down. It's so much fun. It's fun just to have something totally different, right? Now, but wait, there's more. I also have an A2 sized brick background because sometimes you want the brick look, right? Now it's two different dies, so you can die cut both of them together to get the cutouts and then die cut the background one to get a different color. So you can have those options to do two different colors of the bricks, right? Last but not least, I almost think this is my favorite one. This is a Slimline tree fold-it. A fold-it shaped card, and that is slimline, meaning it's going to fit in a standard business size envelope. Now, you're going to get all these cute little ornaments, these little lights, but I also threw in for free, 2 stencils. So you're going to have the option to use die cuts for the ornaments and the lights or stencils, and you can mix and match, so you can do both if you wanted to. So those little stencil sheets are free from me to you, just as a little gift to add to your tree. Now, boom, let's jump in and look at all these amazing samples because you're gonna go crazy. So here's one using that gorgeous plaid background for the big jingle bell. Absolutely love that. Here's another one using that plaid. You might not think at first you're going to use that plaid. Trust me, you're going to use that plaid a lot. Here's another one using the plaid and the solid, so you can stamp it in 2 different colors if you want to. Now let's look at the bricks. Look at how gorgeous that brick is. Totally has nothing to do with Christmas, right? Doesn't have to, exactly. Here's a fun one, Joy. Look at how gorgeous that is with the background. Absolutely love it. Here's a cute one with our little reindeer to stamp and dies. So adorable. You're so dear to me. Here's a cute one. This one is fun. This one is using the brick background set, the Jingle Bells background, the More Jingle Bells to Stamp, and regular Jingle Bells to Stamp. But look at how cute that is with the Jingle Bells background stamp on the reindeer. Who would have thought to do that, right? The cute little Jingle Bell, the smaller one, Joy, right there around the reindeer. Here's a cute one using the foil. You know, come on, Jingle Bells kind of scream, I need foil or glitter. I need foil or glitter. One of those, right? Look how gorgeous that is. Here's one with the 3 together. Merry Christmas. Ooh, and the decollage. Those of you that have been waiting for the decollage this month, you're going to be able to get it. Here's an absolutely gorgeous one by Yvette. Love the rustic look. Absolutely love it. She even included some extra little tags that you could make as well. So gorgeous, right? Here's a fun one with that little tiny with the little mirror dots on it. I absolutely love it. Using the sprigs as a background stamp. Look how pretty this one is. Using our plaid background, Jingle all the way. Now, don't forget, you can also definitely mix and match your large Jingle Bell with your smaller Jingle Bells. Look how fun that is. And here's another example of mixing and matching, which is really fun because you know what? Sometimes you want to do 3 because 3 is always like a good number to do, but you don't want 3 big Jingle Bells. Well, now you have those little ones to add in too. Here's another one, and I bet you Yvette made this one. Again, the rustic look, which is absolutely stunning. Here's a fun one, Jingle Bells all the way on the background. Don't you love it? Here's another one with that background. Oh, here, look, this background 3 different ways, plus that reindeer one, remember, that had it on it. Totally different looks each and every time. Isn't it fun? I know, totally love it. Now, look at how gorgeous this cute little milk carton ornament is with the little clip on top, all decorated, ready to go on the tree. I know, can you believe we're already thinking about Christmas? Now, my favorite time. Oh, and you're gonna see some sneak peeks in here. Get ready. Are you ready? Okay, here is our cute Slimline tree with a cute little puppy dog down below. That's a sneak peek. Look at how cute that tree is. I hope you have a warm and cozy Christmas. So love that. Here's another one. Oh, another sneak peek. 2 designers had the exact same idea. Love it. Lots of 3D inks on this tree. Look at that. I love it. Oh, here's, pink Christmas tree. Pink Christmas tree. I love it. Ooh, using our stencil in the background with our texture paste, our stencil paste. Love that. So beautiful. Here's another fun one, and you can open it up. Remember, it's a card. It's also a card. Fits in a business size envelope, which is so fantastic. Or you could add Jingle and Jangle on it. Oh my goodness gracious, you guys. That is art, right? You put that on your mantle, people are gonna fall over. They're gonna say, you decorated your whole house just by this one card. Isn't that adorable? Look how pretty this one is. Absolutely love that. Merry Christmas. Oh, here's a little one using little tiny bells all the way around that Christmas tree. So beautiful. Love the pink. You know I love the pink. Or add our cute little snowman. Look how cute this cute little snowman to stamp is, and the snowy day dies down there at the bottom. Snowy days and frosty nights. Walking in a winter wonderland. I know, crazy, huh? Club members, you know the deal. You're getting the club discount on all of these products. And can I tell you a secret? When we release brand new products on our website, it's always brand new products. When we release them, we like to do something we call a flash sale, meaning for the first 24 hours on our website, some items, actually most items, are an extra discount. So not only is there that extra discount, club members get their discount. So they're double decking those discounts. They're getting double discounts, which is fantastic. And they're getting club points. And they're getting their club anniversary gifts when they're in for a year. So you need to go check out our website, thestampsoflife.com. Click on join the club and just watch the video. Club members save a minimum of 15% off of every single item on our website. Every single item. That means Gemini machines. That means Spellbinders machines. That means every Totally Tiffany item we carry. 15 to 20% off the entire website. It's like a sale every single day. Go check it out, thestampsoflife.com. And you know what? I'm going to see you there. Bye-bye.